Hello, this is me again, Mark, and it's another condo unit that we are going to tour. This is located here in Tower 1 of the Avida Reala here in ID Park. The unit is owned by Japanese, and I will tell you right from the start of this video, the unit is really nice because it's really interior, like executive interior. So let's come. As you enter the unit, you have your washing area, and then the unit owner puts this. It decides. It puts here the cabinets for the laundry, and I think you can also use it for the closet. And aside from the main door, the unit owner make also another door. It's really a Japanese typical type of interior, and the area of this one of this condo is 56 square meters, and it is a one-bedroom condo. Gaplay, ma wala. Gaplay. So, as you can see, it's very attention to the details, and it's very Japanese type, Japanese taste. Not only Japanese taste, but it's like very an executive taste. It's like you are in a penthouse of someone that is very rich. Look at the wall accent here. We can really appreciate. So the wall with paper. This is the quality wallpaper. And look at the kitchen. Again, Japanese are very well known for the minimalist design. So the kitchen is very small, but if we are going to open this one, so we have this space here for our small stuffs, and another here. And the good thing with the kitchen is you can hide this one. The owner decided to make a blind for the kitchen, so that I will show you what will happen if we are going to lay down this slides. See? It's like it's not a kitchen at all. And look at how he do the interior of his unit. The space is really used. It's very utilized. I want to emphasize also these small details of artistic figurines here, and you have that. It's really executive taste back. It's a combination of black and gold and gray. Even though let's go to the bedroom. So the unit, everything that you can see in this unit, like the TV here and the aircon, the beds, this is included with the price tag, because this will be delivered as is, where is. So everything that is inside of this unit will be turned over to you. So you don't have to worry anymore for the interior or doing the furnishings of the unit, because this is fully furnished. And aside from the blinds, there is another blind. Sorry. Your view will be that is your view. Look at the vista. Ika 3 kilo. Hello, unit owner, mangay ko sa imong tissue. O sa yun, ika 3 kilo. Look at the vase. It's very Japanese. It's very Japanese, oh. The interior ba? It's very Japanese. We will just close the window because I think the owner preferred to be in a dark area, because you can see the area is very dark. So aside from this bed, TV, and then the chandelier, someone is calling you. I-post na natin. I want to show you the bed. So there is a drawer. Ano magsulod ko dili makatulog ako ilong.
Sabog siguro na sir.
Another tissue unit. I'm sorry. And aside from this wall accent, you have another drawers here. We will open. Yeah, there are things, no? So we will just slowly open because I think these are expensive things. Show them. These are Japanese things, oh. This one is, I think, this branded, oh. Ilan with that. Armora, oh. Branded glass. Wow. We'll just open up. Slowly lang kay. We don't want to break anything here. Ang bubo siguro dito. Susunod na ito. So everything that you can see, it will be yours if you are going to buy this unit. That's empty. And look at the closet. It's full glass and it's very thick glass. And we will open. Is it okay to open? So there are things. No, there are things. No, so we will just close that one. That is the closet, and you have here the 4-door fridge and freezer. And this will be yours if you are going to buy the unit, because this is packaged with the sale of this unit here in Avida Riala, Tower 1 here in 94. And you will have 3 window type aircon, 1 in the bedroom and 2 here in the living area. And one thing I want to show you, we don't have a door since the owner is Japanese and he wants to be minimalist, and he do this. And even the door is minimalist, huh? Diba? You still have your privacy. And that's it. And let's go to this huge Sony TV, this flat screen TV, and your chandelier. Just wait. Excuse me. So this is the living area of the unit, and the floor plan of this condo unit is really different from the condos that I've been checked in my lifetime, in my times here in real estate, because this is the only condo that I can see that I have been that I've been touring. You have your bathtub beside your living area, and the bathtub is glass po. But don't you worry, because the owner puts a blinds here. So it still have privacy. See, even here, there's a blinds. But this is the first condo that I've checked with that type of design. right beside your living area, and your CR is separated, which is here. Can I ask another tissue? I'm sorry. Excuse.
Ano siya na ito my speaker?
Yeah. And you have your speakers. Those are branded speakers. Bose. Those are Bose. They have there are five speakers that surrounds your condo.
A fake one.
And this is your show kitchen, because you have kitchen there, and this is like
Bar
a very
counter.
small bar or the show, something like that. And you have your CR here. And you have microwave and another small refrigerator here. It's really condo type living type of refrigerator. It's very small. And I really like this one. Yeah, we will just touch a little. And it feels solid. And that's for our tour in this very beautiful, very executive condo here in Tower 1 of the Avida Reala. We will try to check the amenity because maybe we can check amenities there and we will try to take a video, but if not, that's okay. But as long as we already check, I show you the beautiful condo unit. And please, if you are interested with this unit, this contact. I am going to provide my contact details on the description of this video so that we can set a schedule. Then you yourself will see what I can see now and you can appreciate what I am appreciating now, so that hopefully you will be buying this one and you will be the proud owner of this very beautiful condo unit here in Avida. Thank you. This is the kitchen. This is the washing and dryer, or the laundry stuff, laundry things there. And you have close open slide door. So you have two doors, the main one, and this one is for the privacy door. And you have, this is a kitchen. Well, just open the kitchen. The kitchen, and the bedroom, one bedroom, and it's furnished with aircon, TV, and chandelier. And here is your kitchen with two-door refrigerator and your closet, and the living area, your living area, and your shower area, and your toilet, I mean, because the shower is over there. And you have your bar. It's really beautiful designed condo. And let's go to your bathtub. Here is your bathtub. And your living area. So this is a condo unit corner. And that's it. Ano, ma'am? Avida. Avida Real. Tower 1. Tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the tower 2. Tower 1, 3, 4, 5. That's the 38 Park Avenue. That's the area for the wave there. That's the upper ground amenity area. And that's the swimming pool. We will not go there. People are swimming. And that is the tower 1 of the Avida Real. That's the tower 3. We'll check the array. It's nicely manicured garden. That's the first swimming pool below, and that's the open garden. That's the 38 Park Avenue. We will try to check the 38 Park. Avida Real. This is going to the elevator of the Avida Towers. That's the old Avida, oh. That one, that's the old Avida. That's the 38 Park. 38 Park Avenue. We will try to check the streets. Go up little. This is the Avida Gardens, and we will try to check the streets below. That's the streets. That's the Cebu Business Park area over there, and this is the Cebu IT Park area, and that's the 38 Park Avenue. I want to zoom the penthouse of the 38 Park there. The top 4 floors are the penthouse, the bi-level penthouse of 38 Park Avenue. And this is the Avida. This is what you can see. That's the Dean and Diluca. Can we try to check the Dean and Diluca? That's the road below. And the Dean and Diluca Cafe. And that's the location of the wave towers of the Cebulan Masters. It's pre-ceiling. Let's go back because I think it's going to rain. That's the plan. We are here right now. Let's go back. Here is the swimming pool. Let's go back.
That's it.